In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Flexwood in LEGO Fortnite, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going into the dry valley, just so that you have some cactuses to choose from where you are going to actually get the Flexwood from. So you're going to need a variety of different things that you may not have yet. So what you're going to first need is you're going to need a crafting bench, but you're going to need to upgrade this twice. So everything you need to actually create a bench upgrade is what you're going to need. So shells and planks. So I'm just going to upgrade this once. And then you are also going to need to upgrade it a second time. So you're going to need the knot root rods, the marble slabs, sand claws, and sand shells. So you're going to upgrade it once more. And then once that's done,